Not yet. Here you go. He hasn't called us.
Hey, when I get these keys, I don't give him my time, man. I'm right in the front. What you doing? Don't move.
Videotaping? Videotaping? Say can you help me? Stop rolling up! Hurry up! Seriously! Move! Michaela, why isn't it going up? He's broken. Seriously, no, I didn't. Please do it. Huh? Well, if they want to leave, we can wait. We should show up. Yeah. No, he's doing a tattoo.
Go ahead.
I just don't want to call him. I feel kind of bad calling him again. What? It's barely been half an hour.
Wait, what? 10 more minutes.
Yeah, let's do this. Okay, BRB. I'm soaked. Are you done yet? I can do your little goat sounds. I can't do it. Do it. I can't go in and out fast.